Hello students, welcome to your software engineering class. In the previous session, I have discussed about the software design, means how the software engineer convert the SRS document to software design document through different modules and how the modules are arranged, what are the relationship among them, what is cohesion, what is coupling, and in this video session I will discuss about the neat arrangement of modules. So after completion of this video class, you will able to know about the neat arrangement, what is fan in, fan out, and abstraction of a module. So let us discuss about these things. Content of this video is neat arrangement of modules, layering, depth and width, fan out, fan in, and abstraction. Neat arrangement. Control hierarchy represent organization of module. Control hierarchy is also called program structures. Means the module are represent in a hierarchical manner. Okay, from the SRS document, the software engineers convert into different modules, and the modules are represented through a hierarchical manner, that is known as program structure. And the most common notation, a tree like diagram called structure chart, means mostly the software programmers, software engineers represent the module in a tree like structure, and that is known as structure chart. Through the structure chart, the software engineers can easily convert the design document into program, easily implement into program. Neat arrangement of module, there are some terms are used, means characteristic of the modules. The terms are layering, depth and width, fan out, fan in, and abstraction. So let us briefly discuss about these things. First is layering. In a layering design, the modules are arranged in layers, means the software engineers design the module and represent through a layer, means first the upper layer modules, then the low layer module, they represent in layer manner. A module that control another module said to be superordinate to it, means when a module control the other module, the main module is said to be superordinate to it. Conversely, a module controlled by another module said to be subordinate to it, means the called module. The submodule is called subordinate to the main module, means the main module that is called superordinate and the called module that is called subordinate. Then visibility and layering. A module A is said to be visible by another module if A directly or indirectly call B, means a module A is said to be visible to B if A can access B directly or indirectly. The layering principle requires module at a layer can call only the modules immediately below it, means the layering principle says that the upper level module can call only the below layer modules, means the module at a layer call only the module immediately below to it, immediately below layer modules are called, that is the principle of layering. This is the example of good and poor control abstraction. In the first example, we can easily understand the layers. Okay, in the first example there are three layers, layer 0, layer 1 and layer 2. and we can easily understand which module is superordinate and which is subordinate. Like the first module is superordinate, and in layer 1 these three are subordinate. We can easily understand each and everything. But in second module, the control abstraction is very poor, the design is very poor, because we cannot easily understand it, and it violates the principle of layering. The low level module is also calling to the upper level module, so it is not a good design. We use this type of layering for a good design. Depth, width and fan out. Depth means number of level of control, means number of layer, and width means overall span of control, means the number of module in a layer, and fan out means a measure of the number of module directly controlled by given module, means the number of module controlled by a given module, the number of module that directly controlled, okay, that is fan out. Then fan in indicate how many module directly invoke a given module, means how many number of module are invoking a single module, that is fan in, means the module is reused by another module. High fan in represent code reuse and is in general encouraged, means code reuse is a good design, so high fan in is good for designing. Then abstraction. Lower level modules do input, output and other low level functions. Upper level module do more managerial functions, means in layering the upper level modules do the more managerial functions. They manage, they call, the managerial function is done by upper level module, and the low level module do the lower level function like input function, print functions and other low level functions. This is called abstraction. The principle of abstraction require lower level modules do not invoke the function of higher level modules, means the lower level modules do not call the higher level modules. That is the abstractions principle, also known as layered design. In layered design, the lower level module cannot call the high level module. Goodness of design. A design having modules with high fan out number is not a good design, means high fan out number is not good design. A module having high fan out is leg cohesion, means we know the high cohesion and low coupling is good for design. So if there is the number of fan out increases, then the cohesion also decreases. It is not good for the design, because we require high cohesion, and high fan out decreases the cohesion, so it is not good for the design. The number of module that invoke a given module, means when a single module is invoked by many module, that is fan in. High fan in represent code reuse. High fan in number is a good design, means high fan in is good and low fan out is good for the design. So this is all about the neat arrangement. In a neat arrangement of module, we used layering concept, and we used always low fan out and high fan in for a good design. Thank you.